So the Olympic Games are over and done. The Diamond League was a ton of fun. A thought came to mind. Please spare me some time to explain to you this barrage of FooliNISH. Then you can always laugh and kin Puppa lick. Una human me no man. I was watching a donkey race in Top Hill St. Catherine recently, and then my overactive brain started to gallop all over the place. If new events are constantly being added to the Olympic roster, why can we not be invited to make suggestions? Why we can't have donkey equestrian? So what happen? That no make it? In the same way breakdancing has been added, could we not also have a dancehall event? Some Willy Bongs, Signal the Plane, or Dinky Mini? Hold on, that's a traditional dance style. But still, if we can do certain things on the world stage, do it on a regional or Caribbean level. And can't. Not the dance this time, but the actual race. This is something that used to bring communities together back in the day. Slingshot. Nope, not your underwear. It entails using a real handmade slingshot and taking aim at targets, not the moving targets. Scale fence. Similar to high jump or the pole vault. I'm sure Jamaican males would dominate this event. Fling stone. This could even be done at school level, so the kids could be involved. Every single neighbor I had as a child made complaints about me and my siblings and the mango tree. Chinese skipping. Wanna remember that? Yeah, man. Just like how them have double Dutch competitions, why we can't have Chinese skipping in the Olympics? Climb tree instead of mountain climbing. Yeah, sure we would have killed that. Dandy shandy, aka sight in the middle. We know how to dodge things. And if you ball when you get soaked, then you know say you're out cause soaking a part of it. Yeah. Sneak out a yard. Wait. That sound like one new dance. Have you go lick ding dong and river school for that one day? Go a river. Same thing as swimming, but with a twist. Just not in a pool. Think about it. Chuck off in a river. That different from the actual go a river part. Please note, it is a totally different event from the one previously stated. This is the Jamaican version of diving. Please take note. Baseball. Our rules, our style. You have to use the box strings box. No ball. We don't want no bat. Hannah do it. No baseball diamond. And no jewelry shop we are run. Building handcart is another event. Yeah. Upcycling the juice box. You know see how we creative? Sure. You have to can build an 18-wheeler and a tipper body truck to qualify for the finals though. I didn't rule that. Anyways, Dalicia kinda get long, so me I go curtail it. But the last event, get in a trouble. Have to get goal in another one day. Me nah ask Christ. Probably all a queen sweep. And we emo that. Anyways, people, thank you for taking the time out to listen to me and my stupidity. Me I go call JAAA and try set up a meeting. Me not sure if them a go entertain me or if them a go call Bellevue. I don't think me should have draft up a proposal. Me feel strongly so we can germinate at Olympics here, I know. What do you think? By the way, we are going to need a couple of volunteers who can clap pat cover good to be cheerleaders. So me, I go practice my presentation and uno go and figure out who are going to be the cheerleaders. Right? Alright. Oh, before me go, me notice that some of you not like up the videos. Some of you not comment. Look up sa uno na share the thing. Our holy pa uno na subscribe. Me almost reach 100 subscribers, you know. Me need like maybe 4 or 5. Uno can just nudge me in that direction, eh? Go on over there, man. Go on. Go on. Just go and give me one little subscribe, please and thanks. All right. We love you. Little more. See you next week.